In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your Quantower with interactive brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to interactivebrokers.com. From here you'll need to open an account and just follow the process of creating an account and then get into the dashboard and then download the trading workforce. From here you'll need to open up Quantower like so, and then from here you'll need to go up to the menu up here in the top corner and click on it. Then from here you'll need to go down to the search bar and click in interactive. Should be looking something like that. And then from here you'll just simply need to click connect. Once here you'll see maybe this page, but you'll just need to open up Trader Workstation and then you'll need to try again. Once you get inside, you will need to log into your account to Interactive Brokers, and then from here it will go out here and say Interactive Brokers has been successfully connected. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!